Morning, student of class 5th. Hope you are fine at home. Today I am going to start new topic of your English grammar book. So students, please take out your English grammar book with a pencil in your hand. So please open page number 26, chapter number 5, pronoun. What do you mean by pronoun? What do you mean by pronoun? Pronoun are words which use in place of noun. Pronoun क्या होते हैं? The pronoun are words which are used in place of noun. Pronoun वो होते हैं जो नाउन के प्लेस पे यूज किए जाते हैं, उनको कहते हैं प्रोनाउन. प्रोनाउन में दो पार्ट्स होते हैं, सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन और प्लूरल प्रोनाउन. सिंगुलर के लिए फॉर सेल्फ यूज होता है, मतलब आई, मी, माइन. और अदर्स के लिए क्या होता है? यू, योर्स. ये सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन है. प्लूरल प्रोनाउन क्या है? वी, आर, अस. ये प्लूरल प्रोनाउन है. और दूसरों के लिए क्या यूज़ किया जाता है प्लूरल प्रोनाउन में? यू, योर, दे, देम, देयर, दीज, दोस. ये प्लूरल प्रोनाउन कहलाते हैं. अब काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस: पर्सनल, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव, इंट्रोगेटिव, रिफ्लेक्सिव, पोसेसिव, एम्पैथिक एंड रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन क्या है? आई, ही, वी, शी, दे, इट, अस, देम, यू, हिम, हर. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव क्या है? दिस, दैट, दीज, दोस. इंट्रोगेटिव व्हाट, विच, हु, whom, whose. रिफ्लेक्सिव क्या है? माई सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ, हिमसेल्फ, herself, themself, itself, ourself. Possessive pronouns क्या हैं? mine, ours, yours, his, her, their. Empathetic pronouns क्या हैं? myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourself, itself. Reflective what, which, who, whom, whose. अब क्या है? लेट्स स्टडी मोर अबाउट प्रोनाउन. प्रोनाउन आर द वर्ड्स यूज इन प्लेस ऑफ नाउन टू अवॉइड देयर रिपीटेशन को प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. प्रोनाउन कैन बी क्लासिफाइड एज फॉलोज: पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, possessive pronoun, empathetic, emphasizing pronouns, relative pronoun. अब पर्सनल प्रोनाउन में क्या क्या यूज होते हैं, आइए देखें. आई, यू, वी, ही, शी, दे, इट, एक्सेट्रा. These pronouns are used in place of nouns used as a subject. So they are called nominative pronouns. We are players. Okay, ये example है. Me, us, him, her, them, etc. are used as object of a sentence. So they are called objective pronoun. He taught me English. He taught me English. ये ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन हैं. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस क्या है? दीज आर यूज टू पॉइंट आउट द नाउन्स एक्सेट्रा. दिस इज अ कार. दीज आर पेन्स. दैट इज द सन. दोज आर स्टार्स. ओके. इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस क्या है? These are used to ask questions like who, why, how, whom, those, were. 2 times है. what, which, etc. एग्जाम्पल क्या है? whom do you want to. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस क्या हैं? These are used to refer the subject itself, like myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourself, and themselves, etc. He locked himself. Possessive pronouns क्या हैं? These pronouns are used to show position or belonging to. Example, this mobile is mine. Empathetic pronouns क्या हैं? These are used to impress noun or pronoun, like myself, yourself, ourself, yourselves, itself, herself, himself, etc. Example, myself, I myself cut the trees. Reflexive pronouns क्या हैं? These are used to show relationship with noun or pronoun which came before relative pronoun. This is the car which my father has gifted me on my birthday. ये एक रिलेशन बता रहा है आपके और आपके पापा के बीच में. Relative pronouns are which, whom, who, that, whose, etc. Okay. Pronouns are the word which you are used in place of noun to avoid their repetition. Pronouns are so have number, gender or person, first person, second person, third person. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions, but relative pronouns relate or refers to a noun or pronoun used earlier in the sentence. Example, I met the boy who won the first prize. Okay, let's see. आपको इसमें पर्सनल प्रोनाउन क्या है, पॉसेसिव, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एंड ये सारे प्रोनाउंस को अंडरलाइन करना है. सिलेक्ट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस पर्सनल, पॉसेसिव, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव, रिफ्लेक्सिव एंड रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन and then write them in correct box. Sneha Verma is our class teacher. R is a. Which is your bag? Which and yours? Those are my friend. Those. Rest of it you will do at home. Okay. Personal क्या है? She, her. Reflexive, ourself. Possessive, herself. Relative pronoun which, who. Demonstrative pronoun those. Use possessive pronoun. These books belong to me. These books are mine. The pens belong to them. The pen are there. This is our shop. This shop is ours. Kavita has a pink dress. It is her. He brought a car. It is his. अब आपको रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन यूज़ करना है. I think you can wash the car yourself. She enjoyed herself when we went for singing. We take care of our children ourselves. The lion found himself caught in a trap. I completed the painting myself. Put the relative pronoun in the blanks. He is the doctor who won the award last month. The old man whom everyone respected is now our leader. Listen to that the teacher says. He wanted me to do certain things which I do not want to do. Next, this is the boy whose father is a manager. Some of my friends who were my neighbors came to meet me. There is nothing in this world which is impossible to get. I know the colony in which he lives. This is the player who plays in Indian team. He is such a nice person whom all would like to meet him. Okay, use demonstrative pronoun. Is this your father? These are your friends. This is my house. Those are your books lying on the table. That was his computer. Use interrogative pronouns from the bracket. What are you going to show on the stage? Who has broken the window pane? Whom did you go to statement with? Which are your daughter among those in the audience? Whose is the beautiful dress? Okay. Thank you for listening this video. Stay at home. Take care. This you will do in your copy, and this one. Thank you for listening this video. Take care.